Hello, I'm E.L I am an ethnologist and I would like to speak to you about something really interesting. It's the churinga from Lalinde. In fact, it's not really a churinga anymore. Now, it's a calculation machine and probably the most amazing calculation machine in the history of humanity. With this machine, you can calculate by 3 and by 5. You can calculate by 3 here and by 5 here. By 5, you can multiply until 225, and by 4, you can multiply until 155. If you make the addition, it's 360. Near the 365 days of a year. It's more than a calculation machine, it's also a calendar, an annual calendar. It's not only a calendar. The synodic period of the moon is 27 days. And we can spot some interesting points, and we see that always the 27, 28, 27, 26. It's a bit complicated to explain now, but all these numbers are connected with the number 225. It means the winter period. What we have to know is that one lunar month is 29 days. So we just have to point the 29 here, 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 here. It depends of the direction. And you can see that there is some interesting point with these big rectangles here and here. So we have to explain how it works, how we can manage to calculate what day it is on the Magdalenian age with this amazing calculation machine. So imagine we are in winter 12,000 years ago, and I have an appointment with my girlfriend 2 days after the next moon, but I am in the forest. There is no sight for the moon. So how to calculate it and how to be on time on my appointment? I'm gone since 5 days. 2 days more. The sky is really cloudy. I can't see the moon. It's 7 days now. Finally, the moon appears in the sky. So, the 7th day, the moon appears in the sky. What I see is that it's the first moon, so I have probably 12 days, around 12 days before the full moon. So, how to calculate? I know that a lunar month is 29 days. I count 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's around 19. So it's quite near. It's quite near the full moon. So the end of the lunar month. But of course, there is maybe 4 days. I'm not sure that the moon is full, or maybe I won't see it. So I have this board to calculate. I can put on my clay tablet that the full moon will be near the 12 days after now, my first observation. So I'm going in 7 days, and I know that in 12 days the full moon will be here, around 12 days. So I have 5 days until I have to go back if I stay at the same place. So the better choice is maybe to stay here to hunt the maximum of deers or, I don't know, other animals, and then go back with a lot of gift for my girlfriend. Yeah, let's do that. But I am a perfectionist and I want to readapt the time with my calendar. Of course, I will use my fascinating calculation machine, and with my clay tablet, I will find which day is it, the real day. Here we go, 5 days later. I decide to go back. I can't see the moon anymore. The sky is too much cloudy. So I go back. 7 days later, I can see the moon in the sky. I just have to readapt with my second line and to see which moon is really is. Oh, okay, so this is a full moon now. So just make a mark on my clay tablet and I just rearrange my calendar, and I can count how much days there will be until the next moon. If you enjoyed this video, and you can have more information on my blog, on my website, which is dedicated to autistic people.